there, future scientists! Today we're diving into a topic that affects millions around the world: cancer. Cancer is essentially a disease of cells, the fundamental building blocks of our bodies. In a healthy body, cells grow, divide, and die in a controlled manner. Cancer throws a wrench in this process. Imagine a mischievous gremlin in a well-organized factory. It messes with the control panel, causing cells to multiply uncontrollably, forming a lump of tissue called a tumor. Some tumors are benign, like well-behaved houseguests, while others are malignant, the troublemakers. Understanding cancer is crucial to keeping those mischievous gremlins in check. Our cells carry a set of instructions called genes, like a blueprint for building and running our bodies. Cancer often starts with typos in this instruction manual, called mutations. These mutations can be inherited or acquired due to factors like radiation or chemicals. Imagine your DNA as a recipe for a delicious cake. A mutation is like swapping out a key ingredient, like sugar for salt. These rogue cells start multiplying out of control, ignoring the stop signs and red lights that normally regulate cell division. Understanding these genetic changes is key to developing new ways to diagnose, treat, and even prevent cancer. Cancer isn't a one-size-fits-all disease. Cancers are broadly classified based on where they originate. For instance, carcinoma arises from epithelial cells, which form the lining of our organs and skin. Lung cancer, breast cancer, and colon cancer are all types of carcinomas. Each type of cancer has its own set of risk factors, symptoms, and treatment options. Early detection is often key to successful treatment. What causes these genetic mutations that lead to cancer? It's rarely a simple answer. Our genes play a role, and some people inherit mutations that make them more susceptible to certain cancers. Environmental factors like tobacco smoke, ultraviolet radiation, and certain chemicals can damage our DNA. Lifestyle choices also matter. A diet low in fruits and vegetables, lack of physical activity, and excessive alcohol consumption can increase the risk of cancer. It's like neglecting the maintenance of a well-tuned machine. Over time, the wear and tear can lead to problems. By understanding these risk factors, we can take steps to reduce our risk. Empowering ourselves against cancer involves making informed choices. The good news is, we can take steps to reduce our risk and empower ourselves against cancer. Let's look at how cancer develops step by step. It starts with initiation, where a single cell acquires a mutation that gives it a growth advantage. This cell starts dividing more rapidly than its neighbors. Next comes promotion, where factors like inflammation or hormones further fuel the growth of these abnormal cells. As the abnormal cells continue to divide uncontrollably, they form a tumor. If this tumor remains confined to its original location, it's considered benign. But if it invades nearby tissues, it becomes malignant. The final stage is metastasis, where cancer cells break away from the original tumor and travel to distant parts of the body. Understanding these stages is crucial for developing effective treatments. Diagnosing cancer often involves a combination of methods. Imaging techniques like X-rays, Connecticut scans, and MRIs allow doctors to visualize the inside of the body. Biopsies involve taking a small sample of tissue from the suspicious area and examining it under a microscope. Blood tests can also provide clues, as some cancers release specific molecules into the blood. Treatment for cancer varies depending on the type, stage, and location of the cancer. Surgery, radiation therapy, and chemotherapy are considered the mainstays of cancer treatment. Newer treatments like targeted therapy and immunotherapy are showing great promise. Targeted therapy uses drugs that specifically target cancer cells, while immunotherapy helps the body's own immune system fight cancer. Prevention remains the most powerful weapon in our arsenal. Making healthy lifestyle choices, like maintaining a healthy weight, eating a balanced diet, staying physically active, and avoiding tobacco use, can significantly reduce our risk of developing cancer. Regular cancer screenings like mammograms and colonoscopies can help detect cancer early. The future of cancer research is brimming with potential. Scientists are working tirelessly to develop more effective and less toxic treatments. Nanotechnology is showing promise in delivering drugs directly to cancer cells. By staying informed, making healthy choices, and supporting ongoing research, we can all play a role in the fight against cancer. Together, let's work towards a future where cancer is no longer a dreaded diagnosis, but a manageable condition.